Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing some Talking Tom. So this is not... We're going to play some mini games. Does Tom want to play some mini games? I think so. Alright. Hey, baby. Hungry shark. Baby shark. Oh. What did he say? Whee! Ah! That is his stupid escape. You're garbage! Shut up, I don't want this. Did my thing just go upside down? My thing, pardon me. Sure. I don't care if you guys can see or not. It's fine. Okay? I'm okay, I'm not screaming. It's fine, I'm not gonna rage. I'm not gonna rage. Ah! That was so annoying. Why? Oh my gosh, I am about to... If I die again, I'm going to freak out, okay? Don't go upside down, stupid. No, I can't! No, what the thing? I couldn't see, okay? I'm not gonna rage. Next time I die, I'm going to freak out and rage. Alright. I'm going to rage, okay? So you might want to turn your volume down. No, I'm done with this. This game's about me playing Talking Tom. Oh yeah, this thing is also... I mean, I keep on forgetting to put a thumbnail on my videos. Flappy Tom, yeah, let's go. Is this like Flappy Bird? And I suck at this game. I suck at this game. I'm the worst. The worst player ever. Don't ever challenge me to anything. If I died at this game so bad, I would have been so mad. How do I pass 14? How do I not do that? That's hard, dude. Little baby kid! Oh, okay, little panda. Cute little dragon. That thing is not supposed to be living, but okay. A cake. That is a giant cake, you fat crap. Look at the size of you, Angela. We're not gonna eat that. Whatever, fat crap. Get diabetes. Fatty. Look at the size of this cat and look at the size of the cake. No. Why? Why would you want this? This is too big, though. So big. It's fatty. Yeah, one fatty. Is the cake getting smaller? What? I was trying to wipe spit off the screen. This stupid game, bro. I can't wipe spit off the screen. Alright, thank you for letting me know, my Talking Tom. Stupid buddy. I just want to wipe spit off my screen, man. Shut up. Oh god. Wait, this is sizable, sir. Yeah, that's sizable. That's sizable. I think. Yeah, that was sizable. Enough with that doing that. She's too fat. She's not eating any of that. Memory. No, I don't. 3. I failed already. 76. Wow. This must be good. Why is my mom so good at these things? I really suck. Woo! I'm on a roll. Woohoo! Broccoli. Wait, give me no flipping broccoli. Whatever. No napkins or nothing. Trailer trash can. Where is this broccoli? I think. No. Memory wiper. Oh, yeah, I'm okay. Did I just lose? Shut up! I don't care. Did I just break my screen? I didn't punch anything, bro. Quit, bro. Sure, why not? I hate you, Angela. You're the reason why my parents are divorced. I don't think she even exists. You all shut up. Well, let's play some soccer. Oh, jeez, that was too much. Ginger, I'm about to kick you. I'm about to beat you hard in soccer, bro. You think you're Ronaldo? I am, bro. You know, I was like Messi, but I don't care, bro. Get your... Hank, I'll give you a chance, boy. Since I actually like him. I like him. I like him and Tom. Oh, Ben, you wanna... He's always rude, disrespectful on the phone. All he can reply is yes or no, and he disagrees with like, no! I'm gonna kick Angela's butt, bro. You stupid. I'm about to beat you. Ha! Piece of crap. Like it, nerd. Piece of... No! Ha! Ginger, don't you. Ginger! I'll beat you. I'll beat you hard. I'll take a big old bite. Arr! Like a piranha, but... Don't you ever do that again, my bro. Why? Hank! Ben again. I want Hank, bro. At least I want Hank to win. Next time Hank's up here, I'll let him win. You mother... Haha. No! No! Hank, alright, you can win. You can win, boy. Here you go. Here you go. Let me win. Here you go. Congratulations, Hank. You win. Alright. No! Shut up, bro. Shut up. That is so cringe. Linky Box and oh my god. don't, no. No. Will you? You want me to drink my phone? That is disgusting. Well, my mom's phone, but that's still nasty. I'm not doing that. What percent is the phone at? 3%! Uh-oh. That's fine. I could charge it. Ooh, let's see what this Tom run is. Alright. Oh. Go back. Well, I didn't even know I completed the task. I'm not gonna complete the whole task. Whatever. Yeah, I'll make it reasonable. Oh, I drowned! Oh my gosh. What how much minutes are in? Shut up. Already in 10 minutes in. Let's see. What else should I play? This game? Sure. Go ahead, whatever. But I just connected that. Really? No. How you thought that was the answer? No, it wasn't. Go! Bro, what is this gonna stupid work? I'm about to say, we beat the crap out of you. This game. How dare you? You're gonna get knocked. I will knock you in the head. I'm going to knock you 6 ways to Sunday, boy. Alright, hello. Alright. So far, so easy, I guess. Not so easy. What do I do? I connected it, you stupid idiot! Are you dummy? Are you dumb? I connected it. I connected it, stupid. I connected it! Oh my, this game is so stupid. Shut up. I don't care if you're tired. I'm so lazy. Didn't I just play this? Oh my god. Tom, you are frustrating. I'm going to knock you in the head. Alright, sweet. No. No! No. Enough. Shut up, I don't care. Oh, I got the chest. What is it? Whatever that is. Oh, excuse me. Alright. Shut up, you don't need that. What do you... Why does it cost 5 gems? Free? Sweet, oh. Dragon. Why are these things so cheap? Wait, hold on, I got an idea. I'm gonna buy something. No, that was stupid. You're gonna look like a pro, Tom, don't worry. Yeah. You'll look like Red Ninja. Wait, no. What outfit should you wear, bro? Hip hop? No. He wants... What eyes do you want? You want those eyes? Sweet. There you go, buddy. Got some cool shades. What shades do you want, my friend? What, you want drug addict? No, you're not getting that. That's disgusting. Oh my, he looks like an alien. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna end the video there. That's it for me playing Talking Tom. But why did they give me so much stuff? But anyways, later. Hope you all have a great day.